Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. Why is there no single and easy solution to the problem of population growth and its impact on environment? Answer. Actually, this problem is very complicated issue. A single and easy solution will not suffice. All options should be utilized, including awareness campaigns, reassessment of our consumption patterns, recycling of waste, and less use of resources. Question 2. How is the carrying capacity of Earth affected? Answer. Our Earth has the carrying capacity of 500 million to 1 trillion humans, and this carrying capacity is badly affected by population growth. If the population growth rate remains the same, then it would quickly reach to this capacity. And when human population would finally get this capacity, then there would be a great destruction for the whole earth. Question 3. Why does the population growth directly affect the environment? Answer. Population growth directly affects the environment because an increase in population means an increase in consumption of resources and producing more waste materials and water and air pollutants. Question 5. Look at example from the text population growth and its impact on environment that support an opinion. Answer. The first paragraph supports the opinion that population growth has direct impact on environment. The second paragraph supports the opinion that deforestation causes imbalance in environment. The third paragraph supports the opinion that urbanization affects environment and results in pollution of various kinds. Question 6. Keeping in view the population and the environment of your area, do you agree or not with the content of the lesson? Support your view with solid arguments. Answer. I absolutely agree with the content of the lesson because I notice the growing population of my area and the harm it causes to the environment. I see more houses, shops, business places and industries instead of green fields, forests, pastures and arable lands.